Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiat nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kikna puli jong school paper hak snong Maukrowat Southwest Khasi Hills District. Wat happening jing ther jong laba ubujur kila mirinti haringkat ki jing tho haki plakat bat ki sopti bagi phong wan penpa ki jing persha ya ki jing di drugs bat ki jing khai bi a new jing di ubusniu ubu penjat ru ya ki jing em jong gi breu ki jing pelong ya ki jing ya rally ka bolong kom shibenta ka nasha muk bharat abhiyan ba ki jing rakhe ki International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. La pelong da Nativity Youth Center Maukrowat haringkat ke trailang wal ka office District Social Welfare Officer bat ke District Child Protection Unit Southwest Khasi Hills District hak arpotrik julio arja apusan ya ke jingai rally rasdang na ka office District Child Protection Unit bat la penkut Nativity Hall Maukrowat hak bala ajing kran ban pensha shushu da District Child Protection Officer ba PM walang kat ba ukan phamlen kharling do ula ajing pensha hak baidai bat ki angi kanun ki baidai Bagi kendon jing penstam yigi breu gebran keti ban khai bi anyo drok nalor kini District Social Welfare Officer ba I taryang ula ajing pensha shushu halo kini ke jing tmu ba bari kharmalki ubala lait na ke jing em kerni hau drok ula ay kasaki ba kumlu drok ulong long penjat yigi long yeng long sem ba yak em lang kasalang
drok si ubang ye keren hakani ka sengi yeme keren ni gitu ki dawai ki bangi di ba prescribe doktor kendreng ye keren sepang ki weipat ki jai drugs ki bang yimbit ban tebang lane ban di eki ban persang eki ban eksperimen eki dan lay rem nomor wei bangila amat mud ngila light ngila jenjar ban light nak tu baru jing syak te merau nei mano bakwa ban belong merau dan bakwa ban long gi merau pios ngau sepang gi merau oh yos ngau nei yo inem ke tugas sim ke bahasa dagaru kuat mencong agaru kesim baru kuat ni kuat melong ki breu ki balai loi badan ke freedom ki bangila ban yai ban yang ban trai ban kita ha ka mental ke jongi idon ka good idon kam ka good health hang ni ro hai ke ni ka donor ke jongi ka heart ke jongi ka spiritual ke jongi lada kini lightly ki dona ka jingim ke jongi nai yo ka jingim ke jongi nai in the long shisha ki kena school ki ba job ma am dai tang ka jing pule ke jongi let's say mo kum la yo asnga mane ki don lagi jongi sap ki talent ki ba play wai ni ngim khmi lanti ba baru khai ngin long officer ngim khmi lanti baru khai ngin long ki babu ngim khmi lanti baru ngin long ki doctor lan ki engineer la jong sap ko ke singi blend ng pring phi kin long ki good businessman la pring jong phi kin long ki good sportsman ha la don pring jong phi kin long ki good carpenters ne ki ban sengi ki kam la jong ki bu dukan business and so on and so forth ki pun ha ki benta ka jing im bangi le tadau ni de ban don kan ni ke jingkot ni don kami ke jingkot jingkia ke balong pura.
Drugs are substances that change person mental or physical state. Ka drugs lu aman penur kamu aman kita ki ya cuma cukup ya kepoikia ya ka bor berkutat terken. They can affect the way your brain works, how you feel and believe, your understanding and your senses. This makes them unpredictable and dangerous, especially for young people. Kini bro kalau bahalang kelarangi sedikit kan drugs, narcotic drugs. Kalau kaji itu kalau tak ya pi ya kalau mereka cuci berkutat terken. Why or how drugs is not allowed and illegal? Drugs are illegal for multitude of reasons, each with its own complexity. In this discussion, we dwell into 7 primary factors contributing to their continued illegal public health risk, patent infringement, economic burden, social oppression, and beyond. Kemudian nombor haba kibreu kisah bagi yang drugs ke kebakta kata mereka kebakta yang kecuali pinjia ba nata ke patent health, patent infringement. Patent infringement haka copyright, haka intellectual property rights. Kerana patent infringement kalau hajaka bandar ide bandar kena pakalo, lembar kena pakalo. Lembar sudah kambing, sudah kambing, cuti kalian hafo kayak salah.
Komisi bentai yang kedikasni nila long yang kedikasni program na lingba ka nasamuk Bharat Abhiyan ulang komisi bentai ban yale ban yada naka na udrak dia ngatai ngan Islam dia kedikran nama kedikabdur kinentang ini sedang lo ya kadali.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.